Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons of the day, and here is a question. Cholesterol levels are measured on random sample of 1000 persons and the sample standard deviation is calculated. Suppose a second survey were repeated on the same population, but the sample size tripled to 3000 people. Then which of the following is true? And here is a variance to choose from. Variant A, the new sample standard deviation would tend to be smaller than the first and approximately about 1/3 of the size. Variant B, the new sample standard deviation would tend to be larger than the first and approximately about 3 times the size. Variant C, the new sample standard deviation would tend to be larger than the first, but we cannot approximate by how much. And the last variant, D, none of the above is true because there is no reason to believe one standard deviation would tend to be larger than the other. If we are going to take a survey of 1000 people, we are probably going to get a bell curve shape like this. 1000 people, a lot of data in order to get such nice shape like this. If we'll take a survey from 3000 people, we are still going to get the same shape, same distribution. We're just going to get more data points, but our distribution is probably going to be the same. 68.26% we are going to find within one standard deviation from the mean, and 95.44% within 2 standard deviations from the mean. So as you see, the correct answer is going to be answer D. But in which cases we can get different answer. For example, if the first survey would be collected from, say, 20 people. In this case, of course, we can get different picture just because of the small sample size. But 1000 people and 3000 people should give us pretty much the same picture with the same standard deviation, 1, 2 or 3 standard deviations from the mean. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.